When stress or fatigue bogs you down, dedicate a moment to yourself. A nice break will refresh your mind and replenish your mental resources. Find a comfortable place and put on your headphones. Enjoy a moment of relaxation. Take an imaginary journey to your place of power. Experience peace, joy, and unity with nature. Visualize filling yourself with inner light and optimism. Regular pleasant breaks during the day can increase productivity and creativity. Fill each day with happy moments like these.